name is Marco, also known as GBRT, and I'm from Conegliano, 200 meters from here, so it's very near of the east underground scene. So yeah, super near at the Andres house. Yeah, it started like 3 years ago. Yeah, basically before COVID, and yeah, it's like the attraction about the club scene and clubbing, and I always thinking about how to play records in a club. So basically, I started with digital stuff, and after a year, I'd say no, I have to play with records. And since last January, probably, I start only play music with records, and probably my life changed in better, obviously. I think it's like right now, it's like an act of like a political act, because I'm thinking about the situation of the clubbing right now, not so good. At the same time, the club scene and also the political scene in Italy and also in different countries of Europe, I think it's not so good for this occasion to create a new culture and to be like to connect the past culture to the new one. And so yeah, I think that is like an act for me as a political act, and also to bring my passion to a different level. Is not only about playing music, but you and only to play different kind of stuff. And I think like it's like a resistance about the situation of Italy, at the same time against the algorithm that you can find on Spotify, and you can find in all the bar or all the like, you know, there are so many clubs in Italy, but I don't define that as a club. It's like a bar that you get on it and see shitty music. And so yeah, basically it's like a resistance against this kind of spectacularization of make party and be part of a party. So yeah, basically it's that. I don't remember the act I said yeah I want to be a DJ, but I think 3 years ago it started like a shine in my soul and say yeah, you have to join this kind of context and to start playing and be a DJ. But I think that I realized to want to create something different and something very strong and something political at the same time. I think that's about 3 months ago. Probably Eindhoven and the Design Academy changed me a lot in better and more deeper inside this kind of culture.
Because you live in Eindhoven now.
Yeah, right now, yeah, a bit, in Italy, also in Eindhoven. It's a mixture, yeah, because I studied the master here at Eindhoven, but all the people here in Eindhoven, all the, like, I think this context of Netherlands that's helped me a lot to go deeper and probably to understand why I'm a DJ and DJing for other people. And yeah, I think it's born really deep 3 months ago that I can change and also understand why I play music and play records. My dreams and artists probably is about to create like an utopia, you know, to get like a astral traveling or with other people, and to like create an act of resistance between the state and freedom and the people. So create like a connection between these three steps, and yeah, be free and enjoy music. That's all. Probably I think that's because it's not possible right here and right now. It's so many difficult, and I don't think it's necessary for our living. We have to be more free. I think that's all. Yeah, that's my hope. Yeah, I probably is not a DJ or a producer. Is an artist that is Jeremy Deller. That's make a very good work about the history of, or better, the incomplete history of Britain, and speak about all the situation of rave in England in the 90s, the first 90s. and the situation of the free party, the acid party, and create a very, very beautiful work about the situation, the contamination, and the connection between Detroit, Chicago, and Manchester, London. That's super good documentary on YouTube, but also the work that's connected to the acid house with the best brand. So the documentary probably 4 months ago when I started the project about the club and to like redesign the space of the club that I told you some week before. That's a project that I made for Design Academy, and I found this project super good and inspired me so much to create like and go deeper inside this kind of context about the 90s. In fact, that my DJ set I play today is about the 90s and acid house, techno, and progressive trance music. So yeah, basically Jeremy Deller. Yeah, only one thing I think that's we have to research so much and go inside and go super deeper. That's what we love, and because without research and without also critics about what we are living, and so basically we have to question ourselves, question what we are living, question the context. And I think the DJ set I play tonight is about that, because it's all records about the 90s, and it's like an act that's very connected to the context of that played record. And the year, yeah, is about from 90s to 95, probably 97, the last one. And so yeah, I go deeper in the research and lost in it. Yeah.